Hello, dear friends. Welcome. Clause. What is clause? In my previous class, you have learned clause, a group of words that will perform the work of a parts of speech in a sentence pattern. And we have learned a clause has a subject and a finite verb. And we have also discussed different kinds of clauses. First of all, you have learned principal clause or independent clause, then subordinate clause or dependent clause, and another it is coordinating clause. Subordinate clause, it has three kinds: noun clause, adjective clause, and adverb clause. Noun clause, the group of words with a subject and a finite verb will do the work of a noun. And today we are here with noun clause, and they are of five kinds. Noun clause are used in five ways. Look at the board. I will be showing how they have been used in the sentences. Follow my pen, follow what is written here. Okay, I have written, when the cat will return home is uncertain. When the cat will return home. Up to this one. When the cat will return home. There is the cat, it is subject, and will return, it is verb, but the total part, it is only subject of the verb. The verb is. This is the verb, and this verb takes subject as the total part, and it is noun clause as it is subject of the verb. So I can write here subject of the verb. Done. After this, look at the second sentence. We know that the sun is hot. We know that. What do we know? That the sun is hot. So know, it is the verb, and it will take an object. Without object, it is incomplete. We know what? We know that the sun is hot. This is the object of the verb know. So we will write here object of the verb. Clear? So subject of the verb, this part it is subject of the verb, and this part it is object of the verb. Two kinds. Number 3, we must listen to what our parents say. We must listen to our parents. In our daily language, we say, listen to your parents, listen to your teachers. So listen to your parents. Parents, that is noun. So listen to parent means listen to what our parents say. So this is the preposition, this one, preposition, it will take an object. We must listen to whom? Parents. So this to, it is only preposition, it will take another object, and what our parents say, this total part, it is the object of the preposition to. So I will write here object of the preposition. Okay, after this, the truth is he is honest. The truth is I have told you be verb. This is such a verb, it will take complement. Without complement, it is incomplete. The verb cannot complete its meaning. So what is the meaning here? The truth is he is honest. So this is the verb, it will take this part as its complement. Okay, to complete the meaning of this verb, we have added he is honest. So this is complement. Complement of the verb. Complement of the verb. Okay, again we have written, it is a rumor that there will be a storm today. It is a rumor that there will be a storm today. So what is the rumor? The rumor, you know, it is only a noun. This noun, what is the rumor? That there will be a storm today. This part, it is only replacing this part, rumor. Rumor, this is a noun. This noun is replaced with the other part, that there will be a storm. And it is also noun clause, it is replacing another noun. That is, the two nouns, the rumor and this part, this clause, they are sitting side by side. So this type of use of noun clause is called apposition to a noun. Rumor, this is a noun, and this part, that there will be a storm, it is another noun. They are sitting side by side, this is apposition. Apposition means I sit beside. So apposition means I sit beside. We have come to know here the noun clause is sitting beside another noun. In this way we have discussed what are the kinds of noun clause. And noun clause, it is, remember, subordinate clause. This part, the look at the number 1, when the cat will return home is uncertain, this is the subordinate clause, and it is noun clause. Subject of the verb is, and we know that the sun is hot, that the sun is hot, it is the object of the verb no. This is the subordinate clause. So subordinate clause has become a noun clause and it is object of the verb. In this way, number 3, object to a preposition. Object of the preposition, it is also noun clause and it is replacing another object with the noun clause. In this way, number 4, the truth is, it is complement of the verb, and at the end, number 4, noun clause, that is the subordinate clause, it has become apposition, that is, they are sitting side by side. Okay, more about noun clause I will discuss with some exercises in my next class. So remember to watch and share my video, my channel, and subscribe. Remember to subscribe so that you can learn more about noun clause in the next class. Thank you all.